Hi, my name's Archie. Did you know that conditional formatting enables you to highlight cells in a certain color depending on the cell's value? Well, in order to do this, select the range of cells from A1 down to A10. On the Home tab, go to the Styles section. Ooh, Styles. Click on the Conditional Formatting button. Then click Highlight Cell Rules and Greater Than. In the pop-up window, type in a value that you want numbers greater than to appear in a certain color. For example, if you have values over 50, type in 50. You will then see in your column that the values greater than 50 are colored. Notice if you change any of the values in the table to a number greater than that number that you have chosen, the table will automatically update that cell to be colored. You can also utilize this method to show values that are less than a specific value too. Just select the Less Than option on the drop-down menu instead. You can also utilize the drop-down menu to display averages greater or less than a specific value too. If you wish to clear any of these rules, then reselect your cell range and head to the Style section again. Click the Conditional Formatting button. Select Clear Rules and Clear Rules from selected cells, and there you go. I've been Archie, your Educat. See you next time for more tips and tricks.